Once again, my comrades, good evening. Sorry, when I was trying to record, my granddaughter and Abuela kukanga tinaye so kuyanka hapo zake. Comrades, let me be honest with you about this issue of Tumza Masai Dukes Africa. Ndaifufu zansu kuiona what is happening. And I managed to talk to the rightful people omwe sanafuna kuzichula. Kodi nzona mara ya Masai D kukamfuna kukamanga muntu wa TV wa Bakili Muluzi TV. And this guy anamba ndikuseka waseka kwambiri atume muntu kabwira muntu woti akwenkhula pa social media mukafuna ku South Africa so ngati South Africa kulibe mukampeza kuti muntu amene and amene munapita ku South Africa. South Africa is the biggest country kuti ukampeze muntu ku South Africa kuti uyuyu sizimakhazi ophweka ya. This investigation can take 10 years kapena 2 years achakwera atachoka kale bomu akazamgula muntu amene zakhala bwanji. And two, let's look at the substance or my allegations omwe afuna amangirepo muntu amenewo asokoneza chani ku Malawi, because sometimes to arrest somebody is easy when you are in power. You push people to arrest kamangana, just the same like what happened to the vice president. He got arrested or he was punished psychologically by alleging that he was meddling with the SATA in the award of some contracts to MDF. So, China Panga Papa Kunkuyu, I don't understand. It's just a justification of what sort of a man is Kunkuyu and what sort of government we have in Malawi. What Bakili Muluzi TV is mena manena, amanena zomwe akunena and ogwira ntchito kuboma. The people who are defending government are media. Like for example, Chawes Banda, example, this guy, George Kasakura. Amayankula in support of the president. But in Zomo Amara wakona ngati siza chirungamo. This guy, Bakili Muluzi, is a very good presenter. To me, the best than those people are going BC. He's very good. Amanena chomwe tikumva champekesera, amachika poera. He goes with a story. And the style of journalism is very good in modern times. I'm afuna fast information. People nowadays don't want to waste time to dig why that particular person did this, why a particular person did that. Timafuna straightforward message. It's just the same as I'm talking now. Ndikudaboti Kunkuyu openly saying that at Masai D. So Akuza, which type of people have been told about this? Good at Masai D. I thought this was going to be an issue, an internal issue. A secret issue that a police wakanangu songa justice. Suppose this man is a mafia in South Africa. What TV, what Bakili Muluzi TV. The mafia. And he knows the and Masai dia kumarawi kumaiko akunja sama so wati maziwa. Even Malawi munomo. We know some of these IDs mena maonekera the way they work. Akoza kwa ombera antwaja before they come closer to him. What will this government say? Sometimes I don't understand Malawians. You cannot come open and go to that side of South Africa. Everyone will be alert, even right away by airport. People look for that person. They can even go to immigration office. Do kafunsa kumene kuja. Kuno kwa and police akumalawi. Can you tell me I've got this money? As I do to South Africa. South Africa is the first country in terms of crime. And in South Africa, someone can die because of a 10 rand. And so Zina za Kunkuyu, that's why we say, let's put the rightful people in government. The type of this sizinga take care. That generous why Bakili Muluzi TV. Afuna kamange chifwacha. What wrong has he done? Gadama chura antu ena antu obanjo sa manga muntu kukoti. So does it mean makoti atapeleka warrant of arrest? Kuja kodi aenda njira yanji Malawi. Akanene na in detail what methodology imenya kugisidwa nchito for these people kutaka pange investigate muntu wa Bakili TV, Bakili Muluzi TV ku South Africa. So pena paka Malawi. It's so unfortunate that ku Malawi kuli antu atulo. Timakanga ati andala mafuna zipolisi efe. And it's unfortunate that and hatulo kwambiri ndameti maika pamipando without thinking deeper the way we think, some of us. It's not on for Kunkuyu. If you hear this is Kunkuyu saying, we don't have the right Minister of Information. Tilibe Minister of Information Kumalawi. We don't have. Just like the party spokesperson for MCP. Alimba karata kuti akulesa nazo zimene zachita kumponera. And the same account amene anakhabidwa sanapita kapanga report police. But we saw the video. These people were talking from the police premises. Pama officer police. Bayuna mama yankula anthu amadanda. So anthu abwera apita pa yadi ya police tikaona kuyankula. A police akuyenda pa office ya police. Auti anthu amene sanapanga report police. Kodi ndeuti pafupi pomwe panakhabidwa anthu is just very near from the police station. Kumene kuliba police kuti akanaifuza nkhani bwinobwino. And IMCP atamangira bwanji kulemba chikala zoti wosizi kwakhuza. I thought the investigations are still on. And anthu ena amene ife yoti natumako mwaife okhuzidwa ndi nkhani yokhapa na kumponera. Achita kuyankhula ndi munthu amene anthu amene amakhapa anthu. Ayankhula nawo samazota kuyankhula ndi anthu obwera kuwafufuza. They've given us names of the people. Amene amatani. Amene the suspects. Taachulanso taatunaso a minister Chimwendo Banda. So Malawi has got to come maboza. Whom are we trying to please? Because boza also it affects our thinking. Mukamana maboza chimati wao kwambiri. So boma likuna masoma anthu amboma kuna maboza. Why telling lies? Bali mkunena maboza. Zotu milacha tumzasadi akamange. Whom do you want to silence? Bakili Muluzi mena manena ine namsatira bwino. He's a very good journalist. Koma iwe ngati suna puze bwino journalism yako umaona zako uchita bwino ngati akulakuza because you don't have the guts about journalism. Just the same mwina ena madaba mafoni kaya kumakira the daba of phones. For what? Why are you dubbing the phones? When people are talking the truth. And you have to understand why we put people into power. It's not easy. We do vote. We think 100%, we use 100% of our thinking, tend to make a decision to vote for someone, and that's costly. So when you vote somebody, 100% giving that person hope that is going to change things in government, and later on he fails, it pains psychologically. It humiliates most of us. We get humiliated. So as I did Peter Kumene South Africa, what are you going to say? And what type of skills do they have? Because when you look at crime rate in South Africa, even the classic, the class of crimes that are taking place in South Africa and in other countries is faster than us here in Malawi. He's a journalist. He knows, he understands people. Even the people's behavior, I'm sure I'm a journalist. So I'm sorry that the minister, Kazama Kanga, Kungo Hehemuka, in Shtumbo, Hehemuka, Kungo Nyamwida, because these guys, people trust him. Why can't government just make itself or do it in another alternative way? Trying to say the truth and do the right thing for the people who put it into, who put these people running our government into power. We enjoy that. And that's the social media. How many people are going to be arrested when they say the truth against the government? But there'll be a time whereby Malawians Zamangaboma through a vote in 2025. The more these guys, Maka Zatu Ambari MCP, Sugure, Washpan, one day we arrest these people with a vote. Because these people, Akamanga, Bakili Muluzi Tv, Akamanga, it's okay. Come my fair arrest is just to remove MCP leadership from government or from TOS Alliance. Bas? Because this government is for TOS Alliance. And when Kunkuyu is speaking, he should know that as a means of information, he's speaking for TOS Alliance Red administration. All parties are involved. Where these other parties consulted about this man? I don't know. But if this man only offended MCP as a party, let the party spokesperson or MCP Akanangro. But as Kunkuyu as a means of information, he's not supposed to disclose this to the nation. No. Because some other partners of TOS Alliance, they're in support of what Bakili Muluzi TV is doing. And the name Bakili Muluzi is the name of the former president. ambiti makhupira kuti munthu amene mwina amayankhula kublanda kapena kuti. And the Muluzi family ngatalachita lodge complaint akanapeza njira. Why is this man using Bakili Muluzi TV? These are things that the CID must understand. So I'm very sorry that Kunkuyu is openly saying that atuma CID. No. Tikamatuma anthu akamapita kunja sitimata CID ya. Timati ma detectives. Because when they go there, they will detect the environment yomwe zikagwira ntchito. Ma CID amakhala kumalayo. Koma kuya timati ma detectives. They have to detect detect the environment whereby this man agwira nkhulama mtundu wanje. How good are they at freedom of expression and dissemination of information? How fast is the technology in South Africa? So South Africa can't even sing it, because people are ever on social media. Team South Africa, some other people dance almost half naked. Even Akuru. This other time, another MP, another parliament. Maliseche ni konesa kumene ena fetima chokera kuchikaya ntamoyo. So when you send people, you speak like this, Mena Kabila Kunkuyu, it's a sign of a failed minister. MNT9 with information. He's not the rightful person to handle this position. Even the police sent there, Muna Bakali Manta, maybe they'll face problems. Because in South Africa, when you talk of illegal firearms, they're number one. So I don't know how equipped these policemen are equipped. Moreover, all in all, it was not supposed to be disclosed the way it has been. With the Paga Minister of Information to my SID, Midik. It's not like that. It's not proper. Anyway, I'm not a government spokesperson, but if I were, I would have just left this issue silently. Secretly, without disclosing to the general public. Because it's the general public that will judge our government failures. Even when our police fails, it's us Malawians who judge our police service. It's not a police force, it's a police service. Just like what has happened in Ponela. People have been hacked. And the police, MCP as a party comes out, say, no, we didn't do that. The police says, no, Sanande Utenga Una was. This is quite dramatic and a very insane type of communication. Let not people be fooled just because people who have given power to the wrong people. And it's not good for those wrong people to keep on humiliating other people or trying to tamper around with other people's lives. It's quite deplorable and undemocratic. Thank you very much and good evening once again.